Hi everybody, welcome back to the Sideline Sedo YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be opening this, and maybe some of this. Well, definitely this, but maybe something else as well. So let's get into it. We're going to start with this, which is a Adrenalyn XL Plus. There's 5 packets in here, 6 cards per pack, 2 limited editions. Stay tuned for those in shorts coming soon. But we're going to open up those regular packs to start, and then we're going to open up 10 of these Panini Revolution packs and 10 of the Panini Select packs. Hopefully we get some really cool cards, but let's get right into it. Starting with these bad boys. But if you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, consider subscribing. If you want to see more pack reviews, more pack openings, more football content as a whole, consider giving the video a like, because more likes means more content. So these packs are kind of taped to this as of right now. But really, I think they didn't really last too well in the humid climate. So this one, the back of it, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of ripped there, but I'm going to start with this one. We're going to open from the front and see how these packs go. They are. Starting with the first pack. Here's a free digital pack for anyone who wants to use it. Let's see if I could get that focused. Focus, 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 focus. It's not too focused, but it'll be a challenge for somebody to get. So you deserve it if you get it. We're going to start with Kelechi Iheanacho. Blurry. Where's the right distance for me? Right there. We have Kelechi Iheanacho. Safe Hands, Dean Henderson. A nice little artsy wardsy. A little blurry there. Rough. There was a way for me to focus this. But there's Dean Henderson. Ooh. Banger. Assist King. Alex Iwobi. It's a nice looking card. I need to get it to focus though. Get in there. Base. Is that the range? No. That's stick riding. Whatever. Emerson Royale. Ooh. We got a Diogo Jota regular card. Pretty sick. No holographic or anything on it. And we're going to end that pack with Jaden Anthony. It's going to be blurry. I don't know how else to get around this. Second pack of the day. And in the second pack, we start with one Mark Cucurella. He's blurry, but he's trash, so he deserves to be blurry. One defensive titan, Ben Mee. Look at that beautiful card, that reflection. Ben Mee, what a baller. Classic Premier League center. Ooh, fans' favorite. Former England, now Polish international, Matthew Cash. Matty Cash, shout out. Pablo Fornals. Pretty sick. Cool card. Fred. It's Fred. And we end with Idrissa Gana Gueye. Amazing pack. Is that 6 though? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Pack number 3. Another one. I don't know if you'll even be able to see that, but going into it. N'Golo Kante. Very cool. Aymeric Laporte. Tottenham. Holographic. This is pretty sick. A nice midfield master, Christian Eriksen. Cool card design. A little holographic purple and orange on the back. And we end with Harry Wilson, formerly of Liverpool, now at Fulham. I think he's still at Fulham. On to the next pack. Mind you, these packs are for the 23-24 season, so that is pretty cool and dandy. But we're opening another one. Another one. Sunday breakfast. Sunday brunch. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, 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 hey. My cards are falling all over the place. We start with Nathan Ake. Mark Gay, fans' favorite. Bukayo Saka, Wing Wizard. Look at that card. Oh my god, that needs to get focused in. That is a very nice looking card. I don't think my webcam is cooperating. But Wing Wizard, Bukayo Saka. Card design looks really cool. Let me look at it myself. Yeah, it's got holographic on it. That one is the first card that we're setting aside. Gonna have to get that into a top loader stat. And then we have Kai Havertz, Chelsea. Kai Havertz, not too bad. And then we have Honor Cody. No, that's Mikulenko. Mikulenko, he has a bit of a holographic too. Crash card, crash player. And James Justin of Leicester City. Final one of the Panini Adrenalyn XL Plus 2023 cards. Final one, the regular packs. Stay tuned for shorts on the limited edition packs. There's 2 limited edition packs in this. I don't even know what to call it. It's a multi-pack pack. But here we go with the final ones for this pack. Very excited about this. Very, very excited. And we're going to start with another genuinely awful player, Neil Maupay. Sorry, Neil. Play for Everton. Then we have Adama Traore. That's a cool card. Then we have, fans' favorite Reece James. What a beautiful holographic print that is there. Can my webcam cooperate just once? Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. But man, oh man, that is just so beautiful to look at. Like, just a very, very cool looking card there. On to one to watch, Eberechi Eze. Wow, that is. You see how shiny that is? Oh my goodness. Good Lord above. Beautiful, beautiful. Next, a Nottingham Forest player. Is that Yates? Yeah, Ryan Yates. And finally, guys from United. Another David De Gea. Good Lord, disgusting. Get it away from me. Okay, that was the Adrenalyn XL Plus 23 packs. Opened up 6 of them. Now, open up 5 of them, I should say. And now, on to this. The Mega Box Panini Select 22-23. A lot of exciting stuff in here. Gonna open up the plastic. Prepare for some ASMR. You have been warned. Oh, you can't even hear it. My mic is so low you can't hear it. So, sorry about that. Oh, baby. This is looking spicy. There are the cards. And the packs. There's the box. I set the box aside. I like collecting things. And we're going to get started with one of these packs. Pick a number, 1 through 6. 2. Eddie, you pick a number 1 through 5. Okay. Start with those. I just wanted to start with 2. You know? You guys want them? Unless it's really expensive. If it's like a Chelsea or Arsenal player, you guys can get it. That one maybe. We'll see how much it costs, fam. Here it is. Beautiful. Beautiful pack. Oh, I can't be looking at that. I'm going to spoil it for myself. But here it is. You can see. No shenanigans here. Yeah, baby. Getting a card for a player who's kind of irrelevant to me now. Fabio Carvalho. Sorry, Fabio, but after your comments towards Jurgen Klopp, you're probably not going to play for the club anymore. To be honest. Another Matthew Cash. Panini Select. Then we have defensive juggernaut, Sven Botman. It's a shame that this doesn't have like a rookie card for him because, you know, it was his first season in the Premier League. But then we have now Al Hilal center back, Khalidou Koulibaly. Followed by Joe Aribo. Cool rookie card. Nice. Hopefully develops into a really good player and that goes for something someday. Ooh. Then we have another rookie card. This time it's a Liverpool rookie card for Bobby Clark. Kind of crazy. Didn't know they made cards for Bobby Clark. But shout out Bobby Clark. Ooh-wee. Look at that. A horizontal select Paqueta. Nice looking card. Then we have Anthony Robinson of Fulham, and I just got a peek of the second to last card in the pack. A beautiful pink Roberto Firmino. I don't know if that's focusing. Bobby Dazzler. Cards dazzling just like him. Ooh-wee, what a pull. What a pull. Unstoppable Yves Bissouma at Tottenham. Amazing stuff. What a pull. What a pull. Alrighty. Well, we're getting back to the groove of things. And opening pack number 2. There it is. You can see I just opened it. Take a peek-see. Oh. Why does this happen? And we're starting with pack 2 for the Panini Select Mega Box. We have Timothy Castagna, Granit Xhaka, Bruno Fernandes, Alexis McAllister. Wow, we're getting nothing midfielders. Okay, now we have a rookie card for Seiko Mara from Southampton. Then we have Alex Iwobi, Everton card. And then someone who I have no idea who this is, but his name is Malcolm Ebioi from Crystal Palace. Do not recognize him. Then we have a pink prism, Alexander Isak. Nice one. And then we have a horizontal prism, Lucas Paqueta. What a beautiful one. Look at that. Look at that. And then an equalizers, Emmanuel Dennis at Nottingham Forest. On to pack number 3. Pack 3. Let's see if I could get a good ASMR pop here. Nothing. No dice. No dice on the ASMR pack. As you can see, here we are. We're going to start with Bernd Leno at Fulham. Lewis Cook at Bournemouth. New Liverpool captain, Virgil van Dijk. Love you, Verge. Kyle Walker-Peters, I believe. Yes, indeed it is. Potentially Alexander Mitrovic's last card with a move to Al Hilal being discussed. Nathan Collins, who has transferred to Brentford from Wolves. We also have Ryan Mbeumo. Card for him. Going to have a big role to play for Brentford next season. Followed by Marco Senesi at Bournemouth. And followed by Jed Spence, rookie card at Tottenham. And equalizers, Antony. What a mug. What a mug. Good card, though. Nice design. On to the next. I think that's pack 4 out of 6 for this one. We haven't gotten anything too crazy so far. So let's hope we get something really wild here. I mean, there we go. Open. Open sesame. Abracadabra. We have the first card of the pack, which is, who is that? James Tarkovsky. God, above. That's foul. I wouldn't wish that upon my worst enemy. Raul Jimenez, who, if you saw in my latest short, has made a permanent switch to Fulham. Followed by Harvey Barnes. Followed by Lucas Dean. Standard cards here. A rookie card coming in here with Tyrell Malacia at Man United. Okay card. And then we have Eduard Mendy's final Chelsea card. With his move to Al Ahly being permanent now. Now we have Leicester, relegated with Leicester, Wilfred Ndidi. Kind of shocked that no one's came in to sign him, but that injury will do that to you, one would assume. And then we have a Prism, Felipe Coutinho. Sorry, Coutinho. Nice Prism there. Followed by Fulham's João Palhinha, who doesn't have a rookie card despite being 28. He does have a Prism, though. And finally, ooh, baby. Select Stars Thiago Alcantara. Let's focus on that one. I'm going to sit here until it focuses. God dang it. It's not going to focus, will it? No? Not today? Not working? That's cool. Not deciding not to cooperate today. Damn. I apologize for the blurriness, but you can look up all these cards on Google if you are very curious about them. I'll give you a good look at them, or the best look I can get you with the current setup I have for the time being. I'll give you a good enough look. It's a really good card. But on to the next. We have the 5th pack out of 6 for the Panini Select 22-23 cards. And we have Daniel James from Fulham. We have a rookie card, Marcus Tavernier. You know, it could be worth something if he has a big season next season. Then we have a regular Gabriel Jesus. A regular Anthony. You have one Money Mason Mount. A Gavin Bazunu rookie card. Lisandro Martinez. Not a rookie card, but Lisandro Martinez. Now we have Mateus Nunez. Prism rookie card. Would you look at that? Beautiful. Beautiful. I love the prisms. They are special. Oh my God! Prism Mohamed Salah. Mashallah. It won't focus. You know, when you are at your highest highs, the webcam just decides to hate you. And that's one of these situations right here. But that is definitely going into a top loader. And future star Jaden Anthony was select future Jaden Anthony from Bournemouth. It's not a rookie card or anything, but it is a nice looking card though. Nice little multicolor, iridescent reflection, holographic. Final pack, ladies and gentlemen, for Panini Select 22-23. Not gonna look at the back. Not gonna look at the back. Not gonna look at the back. Don't want any spoils. There we go. Mateus Cunha. First card from Wolves. Then we have Kieran Dewsbury Hall from Leicester City. Emiliano Martinez from Aston Villa. Christian Eriksen from Manchester United. Maxwell Cornet from West Ham. Joe Geldart from Leeds United. A nice card for a great player who has interest from Bayern, David Raya. Card there. Then we have another prism. It is a prism for Jorginho while he was at Chelsea. So this is the last possible prism for Jorginho that you could get. Card. Oh, man. Oh, brother. Another banger. And this isn't even the last card of the pack or the box. Look at that. Prism Select Phil Foden. Wow, 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 wow. That's hot. And finally, Unstoppable Dean Henderson. Kind of a dud at the end, but still a good box, I'd say. Some very good cards in there. Very, very good cards in there that made me happy. So that's pretty nice. Now I'm going to just move these cards and get on with the next ones. Next up is the Panini Revolution box. There's 12 packs, 12 packs, 5 cards in each pack. Hoping for some exciting stuff. 60 cards in here. Gonna open it up, try to maintain the packaging, and today is actually the release date of some UEFA Museum cards, which look really saucy. If I manage to get my hands on those potentially, then stay tuned for unboxing of that, because some really good cards in there, allegedly. One shall see, because my luck so far has been up and down, I would think. Here is the box. And we're gonna... Here we have it. They keep this... Keep it intact. Oh, top coming out. And, oh yeah, look at that. Right inside. So, take out every pack. Count them, make sure I didn't get scammed. Ooh, there we have them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, hurry. Pick a number between 1 and 12, Eddie. Armand? Number between 1 and 11. Okay. Start with those. Pack number 1 for the Panini Revolution trading cards. There are 12 packs in this box, but there are only 5 cards per pack. So, same amount of cards as the last box, but this one was slightly more expensive. So, hopefully, it's worth it. Hopefully, I get some nicer cards, because that would be really cool. Okay, so it's opening up. There we go. We're going to start with Lewis Dunk. Amazing stuff. Gotta love getting Lewis Dunk. You know, because what's a card opening without? And we have, wow, I'm just so lucky right now. Chris Wood. Oh my God, the luck just doesn't stop. Amazing. Johnny Evans at Leicester City. Training with United now on a short-term contract. This one's actually sick. Youngman's son. Love to get him. Uh-oh. This is diabolical. I believe I have some. It says Kaleido on Lewis Cook. It says 10 out of 15. So maybe this is a rare Lewis Cook, which is a sad sentence to have to utter. Pack number 2. Undressing. Oh my God, I just got a glimpse of something crazy, guys. I don't even know who it is, but it's crazy. It's crazy. Okay. Starting with Alex Iwobi at Everton. Oh, that actually focused for once. Would you believe it? Aaron Hickey at Brentford. Vitaly Mykolenko at Everton. Seiko Mara, rookie card at Southampton. And finally, Showstoppers Sven Botman. What a card. What a card. Open for some really good stuff with this pack. Last pack was okay. But it's been kind of a mid-opening so far. Nothing too much to write home about. We have a Boubacar Kamara card at Aston Villa. We have Edouard Mendy at Chelsea. We have James Justin at Leicester City. We have rookie card for Gavin Bazunu at Southampton. We also have Jean-Philippe Mateta Disco card. Disco. I want a Isco. Good cards in it. Pack whatever. I've lost count at this point. I think this is pack number 4 out of 12 for this box. So we start with Aaron Ramsdale. Kind of a mid goalie, but it's fine. Diogo Dalot. Not focusing. It's okay. Declan Peas and Rice. Nathan Patterson, rookie card. I'm so happy with that. And Stuart Armstrong, Disco as well. Really, they've been loving giving me these trash players in Disco form, as if it'll make the feeling of packing them feel better. It doesn't. Spoiler alert. Pack 5, I believe. Pack 5, I opened wrong. We have Danny Welbeck. We have Diego Llorente. We have Ilkay Gundogan at Man City, last City card. We have Mohamed Elyounoussi of Southampton. And we have Impact, Che Adams. I am getting absolutely mollywopped on this pack opening. These are some terrible cards so far. Just really bringing down the whole mood of the pack opening. I need something good. Pack, whatever. I think we're halfway through. But fingers crossed for something good here. We have Malcolm Abioye, again, rookie card. Thanks, Malcolm. Second time today. Another person I don't know, Connor Coventry of West Ham, rookie card. Then we have a player I do know, Thomas Suchek from West Ham. And then, oh boy, it's everyone's favorite number 9, Darwin Nunez. Got him in a pack as well. That's nice. And once again, Jean-Philippe Mateta. Wow, this has been torrid. Really bad so far. The last couple packs were really good. Or the first box was really good. Everything else has kind of been increasingly more mid. But here we go. Fingers crossed. Hope for the best. Okay. We have Tyrone Mings, Eberechi Eze, Erling Haaland, That's nice. Holland. I'm Erling Haaland. On to. Ooh! A signed Jared Bowen card. Would you look at that? Wow. I'll take it. He's going a whole separate section. And Impact Vitaly Almelt. Cool, I guess. That was a cool pull. I'm not a West Ham fan, but that was cool. And we have 5 more packs. Those are the 4. This is 5th to last. So maybe there could be, some more time left in this pack opening to open up some really cool stuff. So I'm kind of nervous. We're going to start with Arsenal defender Takahiro Tomiyasu, followed by Idrissa Gana Gueye, who I pack like every time I open packs, followed by Wolves goalie Jose Sa, followed by that is saucy. Julio Enciso rookie card, baby. Gotta love it. I love Julio Enciso. He's in my fantasy Premier League team, which I will be making a video on FPL later, so stay tuned. Uh-oh. Wow. This is diabolical. Derby days, Joaquim Anderson, and Gabriel Martinelli. Like, Crystal Palace and Arsenal, that's a derby. Like, steady. Steady the ship a bit. I wouldn't call that a derby. I don't know if many people would call that a derby. 4th to last pack of the opening for some nice stuff, hopefully. And gonna undress the pack. Yep. Good. Oh, yeah. It's the most injury-prone left back in the world, I think. Ben Chilwell, left back for the pack. Followed by the world's greatest left back in the world, Andrew Robertson. Ooh, and then a very, very nice player in Callum Wilson, Premier League veteran, some would say. Second to last card is Lewis O'Brien, rookie card. Don't know too much about you, Lewis, but hopefully you win the Ballon d'Or. And finally, Impact Joel Linton. Streets will like this card, and I like this card. 3rd to last pack of the Panini Revolution 22-23 trading cards. Opening packs for a good 40 minutes now. And here it is. And screen shut off. There we go. See? Okay. That. God above. If I get another Bournemouth player, I will lose my marbles. Lloyd Kelly. My marbles are officially lost because I get Chris Meffam right after him. Who cares about Chris Meffam? I'm sorry, Chris, but I bet you have a wonderful family, but not in my cards, please. Anywhere but my cards do I want to see your face. Tyler Adams was the last card, followed by Raul Jimenez in the final card of this pack. Please be something good. Bournemouth. Philip Billing Groove. You have got to be joking. Second to last pack. And please to God, do not give me another Bournemouth player. I don't know what I will do. I'll probably just finish recording the video. But okay, 10 cards left to go. 5 cards in this pack. We start with Christian Norgard of Brentford. Then we have Bruno Fernandes, followed by, oh my God, Ryan Yates. That is not good. And then we get another Nottingham Forest player and Joe Worrell, rookie card though. Cool, I guess. The second to last final card is David De Gea Disco. Kind of trash. Not gonna lie. And here we go. The final pack of the video. Please be something good because this has been lackluster. Okay, here we go. We're starting with Crystal Palace left back and sometimes central midfielder Jeffrey Schlupp. Tom Kearney of Fulham. Joe Willock of Newcastle. Not a rookie card. One would assume he rookie card already. Rodrigo Bentancur, Tottenham. Potty water player. Trash. Final card of the pack opening. And honestly, depending on who I get, maybe I open up these limited edition ones. This has been pissing me off. Ooh, my God. Vortex Michael Olise. Baby. I knew you wouldn't. I knew these packs wouldn't. It would be nice if it was a rookie card. Obviously not his rookie season, but just look at the absolute sheer beauty of that card. And I'm feeling happy about that. So I'll open one of those packs, the limited edition pack, because I'm in a mood. You know, I just got Michael Olise. I feel really good. I gotta find these packs. Okay, I ripped the packaging. The packaging has ripped because it was glued to this Panini Adrenalyn XL Plus multi-pack. But here is the pack. It's ripped on the back. I don't want to see who it is, but I'm going to open it right here. You guys to see. Swear to God, if it's a Nottingham Forest player. Who's that? Who is that? Alanga? Bruh. It's funny because he now does play for Nottingham Forest. That is trash. That is trash. But anyways, that is the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you ended up liking the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more pack openings, more pack reviews, more transfer content, more football news. And thank you so much for watching. I'm Sideline Sedo.